Choice today with 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.